Not fussy.
Really? First day.
If you like what you see, why don't you think about subscribing? And make sure to check out my channel for videos just like this. Movie theaters. One of my favorite pastimes, at least before the pandemic. A place where you can easily go and spend close to $30 to $40 on popcorn and candy and drinks, stuff that you know you're not going to finish, but you buy it anyway. Now surprisingly, I've actually been to the movie theaters quite a bit during the pandemic, so this was my first rodeo, but this was the first time I was truly excited about the movie I was actually seeing, A Quiet Place. Now at this particular movie theater in Wesley Chapel, it actually has two sections, the regular standard movie section and then the Bistro for the 21 and up crowd. Now the only thing about that is when you go to the Bistro, it is on the second floor and the regular crowd's at the bottom, but either way it's all in the same movie theater. So I said, you know what, I'll just go ahead and get the regular movie theater, call it a day. On my way to actually go and purchase my tickets, I saw these crazy just family of kids run into the movie theater saying how excited they were to see A Quiet Place Part 2. They were screaming, they were loud. Their parents were clearly dropping them off. I was like, you gotta be kidding me. And so that's when I made the decision that I would actually try to rent out a movie theater just for myself and see how it went. Check it out. So when I did rent out the movie theater, the only option they actually had was the dine-in option, the 21 and up option, but it was the whole theater to myself, but it did come with the food service, so altogether it was fairly expensive. Now the cool thing is I've actually been to this theater and done the dining experience more than a couple of times. I always got the same thing over and over again. It was the popcorn, shrimp, and fish because I love popcorn and shrimp, and ironically this is the only movie theater, the only place that I know of that actually has good popcorn and shrimp, at least in my area of Florida. So I always go to this movie theater to eat it, and the fish was okay as well. So I ended up getting that. And as you can see, the movie theater was huge, it was nice, it was empty, it was quiet. And the crazy thing was, even though I was in there by myself, I kept whispering while I was talking to the camera because I'm so used to being in a movie theater with other people. I was literally whispering to the camera, so that's why I'm doing this voiceover, because you wouldn't be able to hear me, but it was pretty funny. So not only did I have the full dining experience in my own little waiter, but I also have a little reclining seats because you're in the premium seats, so you pretty much get to lay down. So it was extremely comfortable. I mean, nice and quiet. It was just so amazing to be in this movie theater watching a movie like The Quiet Place by myself, no distractions, no whatsoever. It was just so cool. Now, being that I was in there by myself, I did not record whatsoever during the movie because I didn't want them to think I was the type of guy to come in there, record movies, and then put it online or sell online or something like that, the old bootleg guy. So I didn't want to go ahead and do that, but like I said, either way, the movie was great. It was a great experience. It was so cool. Yes. So as Mr. Bucket List, would I recommend this for other people to try out? Yes and no, it just really depends. As a solo person, I would not recommend doing this dining experience because I can tell you all right now, just for my food and drinks alone, including the gratuity that they automatically charge on, it was about $90. So imagine spending $90 just for food and then whatever it costs for the actual theater itself. I'm not going to put it out there because it was a pretty ridiculous price. No, just don't do it unless you're just loaded, you just have money just to waste on stupid stuff. Don't do it. Now on the flip side, if you get like a cheaper quality theater like an AMC or something like that, and it's not a dining experience and it's just the regular seats, those I would say definitely worth it. I mean, maybe as a couples thing or as a family or even as a solo person. For me, they have the option to see Back to the Future, which is one of my favorite movies in the world. I want to see it so bad in theaters because I wasn't born yet when the first one came out, so that's something I actually plan to do in the future. But other than that, I would not do this experience again because it's a lot of extra money, and theaters already charge you out the wazoo, so it's just like a one and done for me. But anyway, I hope you all enjoyed this video. Like I said, the experience was fun. It was pretty unique to do. The movie was great. Check out my channel for more videos, and I'll see you soon. Peace out. Thanks for watching the video. If you like what you saw, please check out my channel for more videos just like this. Make sure to hit that subscribe button. Until then, I'll see you next time. Peace.